Many APIs provide requests in cURL format. Instead of manually recreating those requests, Requestly allows to import them directly in multiple ways. Let's explore all of them. In the sidebar, click on Import, and we will see the cURL option. Paste the cURL command into the input field. Click Import. Requestly automatically converts the cURL command into a fully structured API request. Once imported, click Send to execute the request and verify the response. We can import cURL commands directly from the web into Requestly. First, select the cURL command we want to import, then double-tap or right-click. We will see the option to Run cURL Request. Before we do this, we need to make sure that the Requestly web extension is installed in our browser. Once it's installed, this option will be visible. Click on the option, and a new tab will open. We will see a modal where the cURL command is imported. Next, click on Import, and we will see that the cURL request has been imported. We can now send the request and run the code. You can also import cURL command directly into the URL request. Let's see how you can do that. Create new request and let's give it a meaningful name. And you can copy-paste the cURL command directly into the URL request. And you will see that body and header are defined now, and you can simply send the request. And that's it. No hassle in the process, and you can import however you like. Thanks for watching.